In this video, I am going to show you how to reset a Linksys Velop MX8400 mesh Wi-Fi 6 system. So the process should be easy, but keep in mind that a factory reset will erase all your settings, including the Wi-Fi name, password, and any mesh configuration that you have. So if you are resetting the parent node, you will have to know that you will also need to reset and set up the child nodes as well. So before restarting, just make sure that you plug the MX8400 into the power and wait until it finishes booting. The LED should be solid blue, which means it's already set up, or it might be solid purple, which means it's ready for a setup as an example. Then you would like to locate the reset button. Turn the node over and locate a small reset button on the bottom of the device. So you'll find it right there. As you can see, it's the black or it's the red button. If you have, as an example, another version that you have a pinhole instead of a button, just go and prepare a paper clip or SIM eject tool because you will need it to hold that button or to put something inside the pinhole to hold that button. So while the node is powered on, make sure to keep it powered on. Just press and hold the reset button for at least 20 seconds and keep holding it until the LED flashes red. Or an example goes out and then it will begin automatically restarting. You can then release the button only after the reset sequence begin. So while you're waiting for the restart, as an example, here's a page with all the lights and what does this mean if you wanna see it out. So basically, you'll have to wait a few minutes while the node is rebooting. When the reset is complete, the LED should become solid purple again, indicating it is ready for setup again. So once it's ready for setup, you will have to open the Linksys app, then set up a new Wi-Fi network, follow the on-screen instructions, and if you have additional nodes, add them after the parent node is configured. So you basically have to set it up as you did the first time. If you haven't done it before, just follow the instructions into your phone and you'll understand how very easily. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.